The games are over, but here are your top golden moments from Rio 2016. We start in the pool with Michael Phelps winning 5 more gold medals to bring his record gold medal count to 23 all-time. But it was fellow American swimmer Katie Ledecky who had perhaps the most impressive performance. Ledecky left Rio with 4 more gold medals of her own, but most stunningly, she won the 800-meter freestyle by nearly 12 seconds, while also breaking her own world record. Usain Bolt accomplished yet another remarkable feat, winning the triple-triple after capturing gold in the 100-meter, 200-meter, and 4x100-meter relay, giving the world one more look at his signature pose. Simone Biles became America's darling after capturing gold in the team, vault, floor, and all-around events. In recognition of her achievements, Biles was the flag bearer for Team USA during the Rio closing ceremonies. And finally, in the men's soccer final, Neymar rocked Rio by scoring Brazil's lone goal in regulation and then clinched the gold by netting a penalty kick, sending Maracanã Stadium into mayhem.